Hi guys, we are back again on a new video reaction. I just saw this video, okay, and it has been trending even on the platform of Ndinzama. A mega gift also shared it, and that video is all about shooting going on in Biafra land between Biafra Liberation Army and Nigerian security forces, according to what they said here. I don't know how truth is it. I don't know the location. I don't know anything about it. But why I'm bringing it to you is because a mega gift and his group are questioning the location, that this is a residential house and all that. Why? What kind of shooting? What kind of problem is this? That kind of thing. Trying to tell you, of course, they are targeting. They're saying that it's Simon Ekpa's boys, which is normal to them because they're doing everything to sabotage or to bring PM to ground or to destroy him. But we know the agenda, we know the motive. So this kind of video, all right, this kind of video has nothing to do, because I don't believe it's Biafran Liberation Army. I doubt. Yeah, I doubt. I don't know the operation going on here. But if it is Biafran Liberation Army, we need to know what is really going on here and why the video is trending, because some people are seeing it as a kind of act of terrorism. That's why I said I don't think it's from the Liberation Army. For the fact that US and are sharing it and celebrating about it, they are now they'll be looking for something to tag against PM. Do you understand? So, but I am here to tell you that I don't. The source of this video is not very very clear yet, and we need to know the details. Okay. So when you see what is going on here, you think that this is kind of something that people call the terrorism and all that, but the identity of the group is not well known. Nobody can beat his or her chest and say, yes, I am sure that this is that. But for the US to rush in and claim that this is Biafran Liberation Army, it shows that that is not. Do you understand? So we need to know more about it. We really need to know more about it. So, but the little information that some people are saying about this video is that Nigerian Army and Nigerian Security Forces, that what they do, when they go to they go to residential houses like this and send the people, buy the people there and occupy those areas, and from those houses they decided they will be launching attack on Biafrans. Do you understand? So that these people here they are there to attack them back, to send them out from people's house. Do you understand? So, but the only thing I can tell you is that it's not all that. I'm still trying to have the authentic information of what is going on here. Even though they targeted IPOB Biafran and all that, I don't know the real people here. And what I can see here, a lot of people believe that it's a Biafran Liberation Army engaging Nigerian army in people's residential houses. It could be true, because we have seen many clips of Nigerian army in people's houses, sending houses ablaze and all that, and occupying the places. And after that, they will hand over the house to, they burn down the house. Sometimes they call their brother to occupy the place. Now, Emeka Gift on his own X handles, trying to react on this, because why I'm reading from him, because he's opposition from deep US camp that hates Biafrans with everything in them, especially PM. He says Simon Ekpa lead autopilot has uploaded a shootout in a residential area, trying to paint it bad. Like I said, the video is not clear who the Simon Ekpa boys were engaging on gun battle. From the voice, it says live in Ebonyi State. Ekpa was arrested by Finnish authority for terrorism and incitement. Since after his arrest, his second Ngozi has called for recruitment into what they called Biafran Liberation Army. Now, two things I want you to take home on this video is, one, that he agreed, or he admitted that nobody knows who they're engaging. But just like I said, the The rumor, it says that is Nigerian security forces that is hiding in this building. Okay, from this building, facilitating disappearances of youth and dying people. That's what they said allegedly. Okay, so like I said, we are yet to know the real information. So that, because if before 9 p.m. will be the one to give you the real information, so that whenever anywhere you want to go and verify it, have current concern what is still stand, because that is true. But now we need to be careful on reporting some of this issue, because we know that the Bago and other armed group are committing atrocities for them to paint it and tag it on PM. We understand that very, very, very well. So, and this guy here, the second thing that he said that I want you to take home, like I said, is that Ngozi Rabeze is PM second in command. So Makande na agwa chata this person, this other person. I've been reading your comment, and it makes me laugh. Some of you are very, very funny. Imagine somebody will come to me and tell me that I thought you are smart, I thought you are educated, I thought you are this, I thought I like your program, but now you are getting it wrong. We are this. I don't know what is wrong with our people. Getting it wrong by reporting what it is obvious, something that is in public. Is it my fault that somebody that you love so much is committing atrocities? Is it my fault? Anyway, let me allow the volume of what is going on here, so that you yourself can see it. But I don't think it is wise. Let me see. So that is it. It is a very heavy gun shot. So, but we are not going to allow it to continue because of the people that on the platform, so that they will not, come after us. Thank you so much for your time, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you are new. Share it on many platforms of your choice. God bless you, and bye bye for now.